Hello and welcome. Now in this video we are going to be discussing promoting your link on Google+. We're going to build on all of our previous discussions about social media. And remember, whenever you're posting on social media and promoting your link, you should always be social. So that means you're going to be sharing good information. You're going to be sharing 3 times as much as you're going to be posting your link. So with that said, let's jump into Google+. Now, you may have already noticed that you already have on your Google search or your Google toolbar that you see that there is something that says a plus and then your name, or if you just want to go to Google+, it's pretty simple to find. Either way, you will be able to find Google+, and you can click the link. Now, Google+ is like all the other social networks. What you're going to want to do is to connect with people who are going to be interested in your content and interested in what you have to offer. So, of course, what you're going to do is you're going to go first and you're going to go to Discover. Then you're going to type in your niche. And you're going to find quite a few pages there, but you're also going to be able to find some individuals there too. So as you come across these individuals, what you're going to be doing is you are going to want to start adding these people to your social media circles. And when you do that, it's probably a good idea to categorize them. So in this particular case, we're going to create a new circle. We're going to call these dog training interested. Now, here is the key to doing this correctly. When you find people that are promoting dog training, and that's typically going to be the people you'll find during the search, what you want to know is who's interested in what this person is interested in. So let's go to this person's page. Now, what we're most interested in are the people who are going to be following this person. So what we want to know is who she has in her circles. And those are going to be the people that we want to add in our prospects. Now, some of these people are going to see you and they're going to add you back, and some of them are not. But you want to continue to make sure that you're adding the people that are going to be interested. And so when you find people that are influencing people and talking about dog training, you want to go one step further and find the people who are interested in that person. You want to continually add people to your circles and continue to share content on the Google Plus network. Now, one of the great things that you can do on Google Plus is that you are going to be able to share your videos. So when you go to your profile page, and I'm going to do that now, you're going to notice a couple of things here. You're going to notice a profile that is non-specific. And so we can make that profile more specific by clicking the Change Cover button. And notice we can add photos and we can actually upload a photo. So what we're going to do is we're going to find a photo on our computer. Now, we're not going to do that here because it's very similar to what we've done in other social networks. And we're going to add a photo that's going to be specific to our niche. Now, for your Google Plus profile, I would suggest that you leave this photo pretty much the way it's going to be. You might want to change this in some other areas, but for the most part for Google+, we're going to leave this pretty much the same. Now, in some cases, once you have been on your page for a period of time, Google will give you the opportunity to get yourself a custom URL. You want to make sure, again, this is specific to your niche. So you want to make this custom URL where you click Get URL, and you want to make this something specific to dog training, right? Or to whatever your niche is. And again, Google Plus is going to be pretty much the same thing. I'm going to go back to my news feed now. I'm going to go to my posts. And we're going to be sharing things. We're going to be sharing things on our posts. We're going to be sharing things that we think people are going to be interested in. But of course, what we really want to do is we want to attract people to our link. So one thing that we can do to make our profile more attractive is we can actually edit our profile. So let's go to our profile. And when we do that, we're going to go to the About section. And then we are going to have the opportunity to write in information about our education. And this should be, again, related to our niche. We should be able to write in information in this basic information. And again, wherever we can talk about our niche, we want to talk about it. We want to be able to add our links here, right? We certainly want to have our affiliate link in there. Anything that we can put in here to make us findable and more searchable when it comes to our niche, that is what we want to do as we start to add this information. Specifically, when it comes to work, we go to the Edit section. Once again, everything that we're writing into these sections, we want to make sure that we're keeping it as close as we can to the niche that we're trying to attract people to. So you want to make sure that you have a completely filled out profile. You want to start with your story. You want to make sure your work is filled out, your education, your basic information, your links, your contact information, everything that you can make relevant to your niche, you want to make relevant in addition to your cover photo. And then when people start to explore your profile, as they start to look for people who are interested in dog training, they will see your profile and you will then begin to attract people based on their interest. And again, you are then going to follow the formula. You're going to post 3 times with interesting things from the news and other blogs and websites, and then you're going to do 1 promotional post. And if you are consistent in your efforts, you are going to see results over time. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.